Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
All new YouTube. Are you ready, creators? YouTube's taking its next steps into generative AI with a new test of topic summaries for comments, providing an alternative means to engage with viewers on different subjects, as well as its own conversational AI tool, which will enable you to ask questions about the videos that you watch. First off, on comment summaries, in order to drive the conversation around each clip and help creators glean more context into viewers' interest, YouTube's new AI comment summaries will create sub-discussions within the comment stream, enabling creators to see what people are saying about specific elements. As you can see in this example, for those in the experiment, when you tap through on the comments section, you'll be able to tap on topics, which will then display a selection of topic areas dependent on the clip. As per YouTube, creators can use these comment summaries to more quickly jump into comment discussions on their videos, or to draw inspiration for new content based on what their audiences are discussing. If creators want to remove any comment topics, they can delete individual comments that show up under the specific topic. It could be an interesting way to help both creators and viewers engage with clips. YouTube says that the experiment is currently running on a small number of videos in English that have large comment sections. YouTube Premium members will be able to opt in to test via youtube.com/new. YouTube's conversational AI tool, meanwhile, will enable viewers to ask questions about a video with a view to digging deeper into certain topics. As you can see in this example, YouTube's new Ask option will provide suggestions on questions that you may be interested in based on each clip, like summarize the video, tell me more about this topic, recommend related content, while you'll also be able to enter your own prompts to explore certain topics. It could be a good way to help guide discovery behaviors in the app as viewers dig into a specific topic. Though given YouTube has been known to drive people down internet rabbit holes, it could also prove problematic in some respects. YouTube does additionally note that these features are experimental and as such are still in development, essentially covering itself for potential issues like this. But it'll be interesting to see how viewers view this new chat element and how it influences discovery in the app. YouTube says that the new Ask option is currently available to a small number of people on a subset of videos, but in the coming weeks, YouTube Premium members in the US on Android devices will be able to join the experiment. Like all social platforms, YouTube's working to understand how generative AI can improve the user experience and help drive more interest in its various elements. YouTube's also experimenting with generative AI background for clips, idea generator prompts to help guide creation. Also, YouTube has been on a reform spree lately, and they have added many features, like the facility to take training and get rid of the community violation warning, YouTube Creators app, YouTube subscriber analytics, etc. None of these seem like must-have enhancements as yet, but slowly, these will become more light-upon tools that will then help YouTube integrate AI in new ways. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.
Let me introduce to you Tubetarget by Technic Force. Stop living with low return and ultra-expensive Facebook ads. Breakthrough says gets you high-quality buyer traffic from YouTube for literally pennies. Get unlimited leads with quality buyer traffic from YouTube ads with targeting options you won't even get on Facebook. Find exact monetized channels that will give you the best results for your niche. Find hundreds or even thousands of monetized video for any niche or search term. Create powerful campaigns that bring together all the channels and videos you want to target to get more views and engagements. Get high-quality clicks for literally pennies. Powerful, cutting-edge YouTube ads training walks you through all the necessary knowledge in order to run fail-proof, high-profitable ads. So what are you waiting for? Get Tubetarget now. Just go to gettubetarget.in.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.